Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Part 4 of this series. I wasn't really meaning to make a part 4, but then somebody asked me, and if you look, these are semi-rounded, but I made them round. Then I made these more round. The other ones were square like this. So we're gonna, if you didn't watch parts 1, 2, or 3, you might be a little bit confused. Let me see what my nudge factor is. It's still set on high, so I'm gonna take the Smart Fill tool like I did in the other parts and just make a new, just so in case you didn't watch the first one. Well, you kind of need to, but I'm just making new objects. This worked a lot better than trying to contour, and I did that one twice, so I'll have to go back and put it in there and pick that one and move it back. Now, we'll left click, right click, and we have to group that together. Object, group, we have to group it together for the contour to work. Well, you could contour individual ones, but let's go effects and contour. And contour the inside, just point, you know what, I'm going to make this red, and then I'll contour in black. And then if you will select them both and go to object and break the contour apart, the contours are still in a group. So if you will grab the inside, which is the black one down here, and move it over. Now, I think we have to ungroup them, but not 100% sure. We'll try this. I'm going to, got to go and go object and convert them to a curve for this to work. And when you see that, you see these nodes. So I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And I'm going to set mine on 0.3. And I'm going to select them all. And I'm going to go apply to 0.3. And now I have rounded corners. Now, to get a black box around there, if you remember, we nudged this. So we can make an outline of that, or I could cut the inside lines out, but this is easier. So I'm just going to nudge that up, nudge that over. So I made that shape. I'm going to make it black. I'm going to go ahead and go to object because I know it's going to be in front. So I'm going to put it to the back of page. I'm going to select all these and make them blue, and then nudge this down. And look at that. Now we have rounded corners on that item. And you could quite possibly round them off more. I'm still trying to find a way to make them not, they're not perfect because this curve, like this is further apart and these are almost like divided equally, where these are not because they're on this curve. Anyway, I hope it answered their question, and I might play around with that a little bit more, and thank you for watching.